The path to approving a fourth vaccine in the U.S. is hitting a bit of a speed bump this week.
Several European nations paused administering the AstraZeneca vaccine because of some specific health concerns. Our Amanda Quintana is at UW Health, where the vaccine was in a clinical trial. Amanda, does the UW share the same concerns?
Yes, well, that trial here at UW Health is done, and they have sent all that data to AstraZeneca to be interpreted. Now, although it was a blind study, so they don't know the exact results, but the principal investigator did tell me they didn't see any of those blood clots that we've been seeing in Europe.
There's been about 17 million people that have been vaccinated with the AstraZeneca vaccine to date. The blood clots have been seen in about 35 people.
That's a very small percentage, but UW Health Dr. William Hartman admits blood clots are pretty serious.
About 15 with deep vein thrombosis, which is a blood clot typically in the legs. The others were pulmonary embolisms, which are blood clots that can occur in the lungs.
And there have been a couple reports of death. Still, Dr. Hartman says it has not been proven that the AstraZeneca vaccine caused any of those issues.
They don't see the incidence being any higher than what would be expected in the general population. In fact, it's significantly lower.
Countries such as Germany, Ireland, Spain, and a handful of others aren't taking a chance, pausing AstraZeneca's use, something Hartman says should reassure people, especially as it nears approval in the U.S.
The governments take all these reports very seriously, and they will stop the administration of these vaccines if they think that there's any hint of a safety issue.
UW Health recently turned in the results from its AstraZeneca clinical trial. Hartman says none of the 1,500 people in Wisconsin who participated had any bad reaction, and neither did the 30,000 other Americans involved in the study.
The safety profile seems to be quite good. We didn't experience any unusual side effects.
And he thinks the pause in Europe won't affect the approval here. That could come from the FDA soon.
Of course, anybody that sees this news from Europe might be a little alarmed and think they wouldn't want to get the AstraZeneca vaccine when it does become approved here in the U.S. But Hartman wants to make sure that you understand. Usually blood clots, that's 1 in about 1,000 people. Now this is 35 people in 17 million.
All right, Amanda Quintana live. Amanda, thank you.